sa halagang 165 pesos sa Watsons or sa SM department stores. Ito ang pinakamagandang anti-aging cream na na-try ko sa face ko and sa neck. Bakit nga ba na size? In fairness talaga itong Kojie-san Dream White Anti-Aging Overnight Cream. And this is available in Watsons, SM department stores, Robinsons department stores, tapos yung mga ibang drugstores. And if you are really serious about looking for the perfect collagen or the perfect anti-aging cream, why don't you try itong Kojie-san Dream White? Because I'm going to tell you my testimony. So when I first used this product, napansin ko talaga sa skin ko na medyo nawala yung pimples, medyo pumuti, and then yung dryness nawala. Tapos, ang pinaka gusto ko dito is talagang feeling fresh ka every after waking up in the morning kapag gumagamit ka nito overnight. And yes, the price is 165 pesos. Nabili ko po ito sa Watsons and I have proof na 165 pesos. So, here it is yung Watsons. And if you're going to search for the price, ayan siya guys, 165 pesos. Ayan, Kojie-san Anti-Aging and then 165 pesos. So, yan po yung price ng product na ito. And yes, this is from Watsons. Pero, available din po siya sa SM Department Store, Robinsons, Araneta Center. Ayan. And then, pag hindi kayo available on physically, then there are Lazada, Shopee, online na Watsons. And I'm going to give you the link below for you to buy online para hindi kayo mahirapan. Yun nga lang, you have to pay for the delivery fee because syempre, sayang yung krudo. And ganito yung itsura niya. I vlog yung one set na Dream White, but yung sa Dream White kasi, this one is preferably my best choice, yung pinaka-best product. So yung Dream White na rejuvenating set na yon is worth, ayan, roughly 299 pesos. Ayan. Medyo pwedeng mas mataas or mas cheaper, but my baseline will be 299 pesos. Naka one set siya. So, ayan yung picture. And now, titignan natin, bubuksan natin. Mahirap siyang buksan, so binuksan ko na para hindi na ako mahirapan dito sa vlog. And meron siyang seal. Ayan, this is the seal. So, ayan, tatanggalin mo yan. And then, if you're going to open it, ayan. Medyo mahirap talaga siyang buksan. Tapos, ayan. So, here it is. Ayan, medyo nabubulol ako. I'm very sorry. Dream White, marami siya. Hindi siya madaling maubos. Siguro, naubos ko siya, siguro, I think, 1 month? Yes, ganito siya karami. And it is really efficient, effective, you call it. Basta effective siya sa akin. Hiyang ako sa product na ito. And as you can see, this is the cream. Ayan. This is the cream and this is the, ayan, yung color niya. Tapos, the smell is really, ang bango. Ang bango ng smell niya. Kung makikita mo dito, ganyan yung style niya. As in. So, i-apply na natin. But before anything else, you should clean our face, wash our face, yung mga favorite soap mo, such as, ayan, may binili ako dito na Pure Active Acne Oil Scrub. So, I'm going to vlog again another product. Ayan, nabili ko sa Watsons. Kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin na pang rinse ng face, pwedeng-pwede kahit ano, basta as long as hiyang ka sa product na yon. Ito yung gagamitin mo or yung soap bago ka mag-apply ng cream. So, ayan. Ito siya. So, let's begin applying the face. So, ang style ko kapag nag-a-apply ako ng cream sa face is yung ganyan siya. So, lalagyan dito, sa nose, dito, ayan. And then, wag ka lang mag-concentrate sa face, mag-concentrate ka din sa neck because it is better na pantay. Pantay-pantay lahat para at least, alam mo yun, you would not appear parang kakaiba sa mga friends mo. O, diba? Ganyan. Para at least well-distributed ang product. And may outbreaks ako ngayon. So, makikita nyo may mga konting pimples ako. But, kapag gumagamit ako nito, at least tumutulong siya para mag-subside yung pimples ko. This is my style. Pwede rin naman na i-dip nyo yung finger nyo, tapos i-kalat nyo na sa face nyo. So, ganyan lang. This is how you do it. Yan, in circular motion, kasi kapag in circular motion, namamassage nyo din yung face nyo while you are pampering it, you are, ayan, ina-apply nyo, and then sa neck din. So, as in, the effect is really, yung effect is really effective. Ayun, ganun. Yung effect talaga niya, naka-fresh, mabango siya, you feel really fresh. Tapos, ang masasabi ko dito, there's no irritation, there's no redness, there's no itchiness, there's no uncomfortable feeling. Hindi siya greasy na ilagay sa face. Yan, hindi siya ilagay sa face. Hindi siya greasy ilagay sa face. And now, we will flip this camera for you to read yung mga description niya. Kaya, babasahin natin kung ano yung mga laman niya. And lahat-lahat para malaman natin kung saan siya effective. Ito na yung Kojisan Dream White Anti-Aging Overnight Cream. 30 grams. So, it is siguro marami na siya. And yes, marami na talaga siya. Ito yung ingredients, pero pupunta tayo sa may description niya agad. Kojisan Dream White Anti-Aging Overnight Cream is concentrated moisturizer that helps revitalize and nourish skin during sleep. Ayan, combined effects of milk peptide complex and smoothing skin conditioners that helps provide nourishing hydration and firmness to face and neck, leaving skin smooth and radiant in the morning. It helps diminish appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So, smooth over cleansed face and neck before going to bed. Best results with Kojisan Dream White Anti-Aging Soap and Facial Toner. But you can also use your own favorite toner or soap. Ayan. So, eto na yung anti-aging cream. And then, ayan. Yung ingredients naman niya is water, glycerin stearate. Ang dami-dami. So, basahin natin yung mga alam natin. And we have here propylpeptine. Ang dami-dami, no? So, honey extract, soluble collagen. So, it contains collagen, honey, elastin, glycogen, ayan, kojic acid, whey protein, lactic acid. Ang dami, no? Fragrance. Tapos, glycerin. Ayan. So, it contains kojic acid, yung collagen. Ayan. So, effective siya para sa anti-aging overnight cream. Similar din dito sa actual jar. Jar yung tawag dito. Hindi na siya bottle. And, ayan, anti-aging overnight cream. Tapos, ito na rin yung kanyang ingredients. Tapos, ito yung description niya. Smooth and radiant in the morning. So, Bevy Beauty Elements Ventures Incorporated. Ayan, Corner Honduras Street, Makati City. So, ito yung website nila, kojisan.com. And, andito yung kanyang manufacture date. Na-manufacture siya last year. And, ang expiration niya is on 2021. Kaya, dapat ubusin na natin to bago mag-expire. O, diba? So, ganyan siya. Medyo malaki din siya. Tapos, ang maganda dito, ganyan yung cover niya. So, kailangan mong alisin tong cover para, ayan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. White cream. To answer your question, number 1 na question is, anong oras siya ginagamit? You can apply this jar or this cream kahit na morning or evening. Pero, mas preferably, evening before sleep. Ayan, nasabi ko na, evening or morning kapag before ka lalabas, pwede rin yun. Pero preferably before ka matulog sa gabi. So, how often? Ayan, 1 to 2 times a day. Ayan. Pwede namang as often as you can, basta as long as nasa bahay ka lang. And saan nabibili? Ayun ulit, sasabihin ko sa any drugstore, sa SM Department Store, Watsons. Ayan. And may side effects ba? Wala siyang side effect as long as hindi siya irritating, such as nagkakaroon ka ng redness, itchiness, meron kang swelling, yung mga ganon. Kapag nag-develop ka ng swelling or even mga pimples after using this product, better stop it and consult your dermatologist or physician. Baka hindi ka compatible dito. So, yun po ang pwede kong maisagot. Yung price is 165 pesos. Yun po yung price. Naka-indicate po sa, ayan, sa thumbnail. Nilagay ko sa thumbnail. And my verdict for this product is 10 over 10 because na-impress ako. I am very impressed with this product because wala siyang binigay na sakit sa ulo sa akin. Hindi ka magsisisi sa pagbili nito. As in, very, very effective. Kaya, yes guys, ito ang pinaka-best na collagen or anti-aging cream na pwede mong gamitin sa gabi before ka matulog. Ayan, once again, ito yung Dream White Anti-Aging Soap. Ayan. So, ganyan. Ulit, bubuksan ko siya. And if you have question, mag-comment down below lang kayo or have feedbacks. Basta tandaan nyo, watch this video in full para at least masagot yung mga katanungan nyo. And if you love how I vlog this product, don't forget to subscribe my 2 YouTube channels. Ayan, dalawa pa ang YouTube channels ko. Stay tuned, stay subscribed for more updates and click that notification bell para every uploads ko is ma-notify kayo. So, reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter, The Story of Anthony, para at least hindi lang sa YouTube, sa Facebook, sa Twitter, and Instagram din. And that would be all, guys. Thank you and have a good day.